Orion's belt is probably the most well-known asterism in the night sky. It's one of the first things that people learn when they start getting into astronomy. But what about the other asterisms that make up Orion? There's a couple of other cool ones that don't get as much attention. One of them is the Orion's sword, which contains 4 stars. But there's one more asterism that I think is really cool in Orion, and that's the shield of Orion. If you take a line that parallels the 4 stars of the sword and you extend it to the west, you will come to the bright red giant beat. It's kind of like finding Waldo, but with stars. And it's not just any 4 stars. They are 4 bright stars in a row, because I guarantee that this video will help them, and it will help you get even more out of the night sky. In fact, they are the brightest stars in a row in the entire sky. If you have clear view of the horizon to the south and you look up and you see 4 bright stars in a row, you know exactly where Orion's belt is, and you know that you're looking at one of the coolest parts of the sky. In this course, I show you exactly what to look for, where to look for it, and how to find the constellations that are hidden in plain sight. And best of all, it's completely free. All I ask in return for the free course is that you share this video with someone who needs it. The 4 stars of Orion's sword are Alnilam and Mintaka, along with Re, which is the brightest star in the constellation Orion. You can also use the 4 stars of the sword to help you find another very bright star named Beat. But if you go about halfway up Orion's thigh and you look just slightly to the west of the belt, you'll find 3 stars in a triangle. But the problem is that there's also so much to see that it can be kind of overwhelming for beginners. That's the shield of Orion. Alnilam and Mintaka are all part of Orion's sword, and they form a nice little asterism that is sometimes called the Little Dipper because it kind of looks like a dipper without the handle. The shield of Orion is a little tricky to see because it has not a very big asterism, and it is made up of pretty faint stars. I think that one of the coolest things about astronomy is that there's so much to see if you just know where to look. That's why I created a free course called Star Guides, which will teach you how to find your way around the night sky. So go out right now and share this video with someone who wants to get into astronomy, but they just don't know where to start.